I welcome all of you to my channel. If you are a new visitor here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you are an existing subscriber, please do not forget to hit the bell notification for regular updates. Without wasting any time, let's directly go to my kitchen to see the making of Mysore Pak. For making Mysore Pak, we need 1 glass of besan or chickpeas powder, 2 glasses of sugar and 200 grams of ghee. Onto a hot pan, we add 1 tablespoon of ghee, and once it melts, we'll add 1 glass of besan or chickpeas powder to that. We'll slightly roast the besan. Keep stirring it in between, we don't want the content to get burnt. We'll just roast it for some time till we get a good fragrance and till the rawness of the besan or chickpeas flour goes away. We'll transfer this besan back into the glass. Now we'll ready the sugar syrup. Onto a hot pan, we add 1 glass of water followed by 2 glasses of sugar. We have to keep stirring it regularly. The sugar has completely melted now and the sugar syrup has started boiling. At this stage, we'll reduce the flame to a low and add the besan or chickpeas flour to this. We have to keep stirring it in between. We don't want this to form any lumps. In between, I had increased the flame to a high, and as the liquid starts boiling, we'll reduce the flame to a low. Now we'll grease the inside of a glass vessel with ghee and pour the molten hot Mysore Pak into it when it's ready. We'll keep on stirring the content in between. We don't want it to get burnt. The liquid in the pan has started thickening and we'll add some ghee to this. We'll be adding 200 grams of ghee at different stages. Keep on stirring this and remember to keep the flame in low. At this point, we'll top it up with some more ghee. Let's keep stirring this. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do not forget to subscribe. Continue watching the video to see the making of Mysore Pak. We have added some more ghee to this. Keep on stirring this regularly. Just have a look at the texture we have achieved. Let's keep on stirring this. Now it's time to add some more ghee to this. Keep on stirring this. Now this is the last stage of Mysore Pak preparation. We are adding the remaining ghee. We have in total added 200 grams of ghee. Keep stirring this, otherwise our Mysore Pak will definitely get burnt. Okay, our Mysore Pak is ready now. Time to pour it in the glass vessel. Have a look at this. I feel really tempted to have it right now, but it is molten hot and we'll wait for this to cool down. Within 5 minutes of pouring the molten Mysore Pak into the glass vessel, we should be cutting it into small pieces, otherwise it will solidify and it would be difficult to do so. If you like the video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a look at our Mysore Pak. It's really tempting. I had a taste of it and it's awesome. Now you won't have to go to any bakery or sweet house to buy Mysore Pak. You can make it at home. Do try this at home and do let me know how you liked it. Thank you for watching the video till the end.